Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uniswap interface for adding liquidity safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Uniswap interface for adding liquidity, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Uniswap and press enter. Click on the official Uniswap website link, which usually appears at the top of the search results. Once on the Uniswap homepage, locate the Launch App button and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Uniswap interface. Before proceeding, ensure you have a compatible wallet setup, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Trust Wallet. If you need to install MetaMask, go to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension library. Search for MetaMask and click on the correct link to download the extension. Follow the prompts to install the extension on your browser. Once installed, create or import your wallet following the on-screen instructions. Next, return to the Uniswap interface. Once there, connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type from the list and follow the prompts to establish a connection. After connecting your wallet, ensure you have the cryptocurrency you want to provide for liquidity. Navigate to the Pool section of the Uniswap interface. Click on the Add Liquidity button to proceed. Select the token pair you want to add liquidity for. Enter the amount of each token you wish to provide. Review the details and ensure everything looks correct. If satisfied, click the Supply button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive liquidity tokens representing your share of the pool. You can view your pooled tokens in the Positions tab on the Uniswap interface. Make sure to always verify the website URL to ensure you are on the official Uniswap page for security purposes. Now you have successfully downloaded and used the Uniswap interface to add liquidity safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.